Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you all for joining me. As we continue our look at the 2018 Cayley paper, we have come across question number 18. A quadrilateral is bounded by the lines with equations x equals 0, x equals 4, y equals x minus 2, and y equals x plus 3. The area of this quadrilateral is. So it's probably a good idea to draw the picture. Now already I am mentally drawing a picture. X equals 0 is the y-axis. X equals 4 is just another vertical line. And both these other lines have a slope of 1, which means they sort of make a 45-degree angle to the x-axis. So I should expect a parallelogram. And my mind starts swimming with, well, how do I figure out the area of a parallelogram? There's sort of just the one way, and I'm going to need to figure out heights and bases and things like that. But let's actually get to a real picture. It's not going to be really different than the one I just drew. And actually, I won't have a whole lot of space for working, so I'll move it over slightly. Alright, so x equals 0. We'll say x equals 4 all the way over here. Now, it's y equals x minus 2, so it's going to pass through minus 2. So it might be a good idea to, for example, know where these intersection points are. Well, fortunately, I know there's x equals 0, and that'll give us 0 minus 2. And then when x equals 4, you're going to get 4, and then 4 minus 2 is 2. Similarly, we also have y equals x plus 3. So that's going to pass through. 3 is going to be the y-intercept. So we'll get 0, 3. And then you go over 4 and therefore up by 4. You're going to get 4, 7. 4 plus 3, y equals 4 plus 3. You'll get 7 there. Okay, great. So this is in fact a parallelogram. They're not really trying to mess around with us there. So how do we figure out the area of a parallelogram? You figure out the height, and you figure out the base. And this could work for either one. I'm going to do the red right now just because, well, it'd be kind of hard to figure out this slanted height and this slanted base. I'm not saying it's impossible, I'm just saying you're making more work for yourself, because look at the red one. To go from minus 2 all the way up to 3, that's an increase of 5, so we've got a base of 5. What's our height? Well, we go from x equals 0 over to x equals 4. That's a distance of 4. And for a parallelogram, it's base times height. So in this case, it's just 5 times 4, 20. So 20 is the area of this particular parallelogram. And 20 is our last one there. It's E. And that's exactly what we would bubble in, or in this case, write down. Okay, or otherwise indicate our answer. But of course, if you're actually writing the contest, they have a nice little Scantron bubble sheet that you should be filling in. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me for question 18. Up next will be question number 19, and I will see you there.